Life is unpredictable, including unexpected events like getting a flat tire. You might think it's impossible to change a flat tire independently, but we have a guide to show you how to do it in 60 seconds. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and place the wheel wedges. Slightly loosen the lug nuts with a lug wrench while the car is on the ground. Position the jack under the car's jack point and lift the car until the flat tire is off the ground. Then you're going to remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the flat tire. After that, place the spare tire on the hub and hand tighten the lug nuts and lower the car back to the ground and remove the jack. Then you're going to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. If this makes you nervous, come in for a Nissan Security Plus warranty quote and receive 24/7 roadside assistance. Plus, get $10 off your next service visit. Call or text us or visit our website to schedule your service appointment today.